I don't know.
It's a bicycle.
Hey Bryce, what kind of race car do you have? Do you remember what it's called?
Stop it.
Bryce, do you remember what it's called?
I do.
What is it?
I don't know.
You want me to tell you?
Yes.
Ferrari.
It's Ferrari.
Yeah. Yes.
These buses were coming.
They
And
were.
I need to go. Does this red race car go past the motorcycles? Does the red race car go past the bicycles?
No.
It does because it goes fast.
Oh, you mean it can race faster than the bicycles?
Yes.
Yeah, possibly.
And here it goes. And
How fast does your race car go?
like 200 miles per hour.
Oh, well then I think definitely it'd be faster than bicycles. 200 miles per hour is super duper fast.
That's how fast does it go?
Well, man, that's a fast car.
It's fast.
Yeah.
It goes faster because it goes below at the road.
You're right.
Roads. Yay! It's a big road.
It is a big road. This is a great place to drive your car. You're going to get my feet. Oh, no, you almost got my feet.
I did it.
Yeah.
We have roads for the cars. We don't need to ride bicycles because you have a red race car.
That's right. You don't need to ride your bike here because you have a race car.
If it's ran out batteries, sometimes the astronaut race car ran out batteries.
Yeah.
It ran out batteries.
Well, we can always get new batteries when they run out, okay?
These tires go fast.
Yeah, they do. They go super fast. That's because it's a Ferrari.
Okay, show me. Okay, watch. Watch.
I'm watching.
It's steering.
Yeah, I'm recording
Watch.
you.
If you keep steering,
Yeah.
it makes around the circle.
Oh, I see.
If-
You're doing
if
that?
Next time you can see all the parts and let's park it.
Okay, you want to tell me all the parts? All right. Just park it and tell me all the parts. I'm ready.
Put your controller. Where do you want to put it?
Here, I'll hold it. And then you can tell me all the parts? Okay.
This is the engine. That in case where's the gas? There's the gas is right in here for the pipe until it can go into the race car.
Okay.
It goes into the battery charge.
Okay. What else has it got?
Sometimes it gets an E for empty.
Oh, that's true if you run out.
If you run out batteries, it could turn into E for empty.
True, true. What other parts?
Your fuel tank will come out inside and your car can't move.
Okay. So you got fuel tank and the engine and the gas pedal.
It's not in here. It's not right here. It's in the back.
It's in the back instead of the front. What else is back there? What's down here?
It's a trunk.
Oh, you got a trunk. What else you got? I see these. What are these? What are those?
These are exhaust pipes, and there's boost. There's fire in it.
Oh, wow. If it goes super fast, it does fire?
The fire cannot really.
Show me how the doors work.
I will show you.
Okay. You want to put it down and show me?
That was a great car.
Yeah, it is.
Went super fast.
Yep.
Put it there.
I think it's good to put it in the grass. That's a good idea. You want to show me the cars or the doors?
I'm going to sit here.
Okay.
Here's the doors. They're right there. I'm going to show you how to open them.
Okay. Wow.
Wow.
What kind of doors are those?
Sneaky, snacky one.
Sneaky, snacky doors? Cool. They are kind of sneaky.
He opened them.
Yeah.
So cool inside.
It is so cool inside.
Where's the gas pedal? Where's that gas pedal?
I don't know.
Right down there.
You see it?
I do.
Cool.
And this goes. Whoa.
Okay.
They're closed.
Nice job.
And let's put this down. This down. This is going to go down.
Okay.
We are going to roll this down. The wheels down.
I see. You got nice wheels too.
I do have nice ones.
Yeah.
These are cool tires and they have red brakes.
They are cool tires,
Are they
man.
hot?
Probably because you've been running the car. What do you think?
Because you put the brakes on.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are we done?
Let's get ready. It was boom.
All right. Thanks for showing me everything. That was super cool. See ya.
Here it goes. Here it goes.
Okay.
It did it.
Better stop it. Good job.
I'm doing the race car. Doing the skateboard. Here we go. You see these doors?
Yep.